this is rich out here.
Right.
That's why out there poor.
Right.
Don't want to forget the poor people.
Right.
Can you wait to tell me after this train goes, engines go by? What are they doing? They're burning some looks like they're burning some cuts. Yeah, it's just a light run.
Hey, Mike! Power move!
Power move.
Oh, he's crawling.
He's crawling. He's going to be picking up a train local. Do you think work train will be meeting him?
Another long train. No carriage, though.
No. Yeah. Where does it go?
This will probably go to Cleveland West.
Cleveland West. So probably, is there any drop off to the lines ever?
No.
I remember last time, a couple months ago, last year, I should say, I was down in Alliance and the work train came in with 2 locomotives. And this wouldn't go into Alliance and drop off engines for the work crews?
No. This one will probably go to Cleveland and then maybe on to Chicago.
Okay.
They need to balance the power. There's too much power on one.